As the pandemic came last year and various lockdowns were put here in Berlin, I wasn't able to go bulk shopping as much as I usually did. I live nowhere close to a bulk store, and it takes me at least 30 to 40 minutes to reach the closest one. As we were asked to stay home as much as possible, I had to limit my trips to the bulk store and source some of my foods elsewhere. I had to soon realize that reducing the amount of plastic that I introduce in my home is obviously important, but didn't strictly have to be the focus of my actions. During the global crisis, there were other things that I could do to be sustainable and help local stores to survive. Being active in the fight against food waste is one of them. While plastic pollution is a problem that more and more people and companies are trying to tackle, food waste remains a huge problem, the reduction of which would be a significant help for the planet, its resources, social justice, and climate change. In Germany alone, 18 million tons of food get thrown away every year, and almost 40% of which comes from private households. Actively fighting food waste is easy. Here's what can be done to take action. 1. Shop with a list and not overbuy. 2. Use up what's in the pantry and fridge already before purchasing more food. 3. Freeze up leftovers and foods that won't be eaten within a couple of days. 4. Store foods properly. 5. Compost food scraps that can be composted. 6. Go beyond the expiration date, as this is a guideline and not a strict rule. 7. Support local companies and projects that are actively engaged in reducing food waste by selling almost expired or unsold products to avoid them being sent to the landfill. Buying rescued from the landfill products means to never find the exact same things, but to find different products according to their availability. When buying these products, I try to opt for things that I normally wouldn't buy on a regular basis due to excess packaging, higher carbon footprint, or just simply the fact that I don't eat them on a regular basis. For example, mock meats. Here's an example of an anti-food waste haul of mine. From a local Italian bakery via the Too Good To Go app, for €4.50, I bought a ton of bakery products that I could store in my freezer. 9 small breads, 1 piece of focaccia, 4 croissants, and 4 pastries. For a little over €23, I was able to buy from Surplus, a local startup that sells exclusively rescued products, aka about to expire, already expired but still good to eat, or unsold stock from other stores, plenty of interesting things. Plant-based yogurt, vegan puff pastry, vegan sour cream, vegan chocolate pudding, for my evening dessert craves, bananas, melon, celery, vegan cheese, black beans pasta, and vegan cooking cream. Also, a small pack of chips that apparently I couldn't wait to eat after filming this video. At the supermarket I normally go to instead, I found for 30% off due to close expiration date, vegan sausages, spinach, hummus, and potato fritters. I'm curious to know if you're a food waste warrior too, and if you're able to actively fight it, and how. Let me know down below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.